Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is the day I've been waiting for. I just received a call now that my quad bike CFMoto 850 XC Touring is on the way for delivery. Let's look at how it's going to be unloaded. I'm so excited for see my quad bike finally delivered. Hit that like button if you're as pumped as I am. Subscribe so you don't miss the ride, and let's get into it.
Beast sound.
Sorry, I'm a bit late.
No worries. I had no day for you. I didn't even know it got two exhaust pipe.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it new thing or what?
Say again?
The exhaust pipe. Yeah, it's two.
Yeah,
I didn't even realize that. I'm seeing it now.
both sides.
Yeah.
Good one.
Do you have one there?
I haven't got one of these ones. So these ones are the best ones.
Okay. And 1,000.
Yeah.
So this is the place.
Yeah. Where do you want it?
Yeah. So in the garage, it's gonna be in the garage.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want to
So-
drive it?
Not yet. You need to show me,
Yeah, yeah,
please.
yeah. That's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Would you like to be in one?
Sorry.
Do you want to be in a picture with it?
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
If you jump on it.
Oops. Yeah, I need to start it myself.
Yeah. So like we said, just turn the key onto that one,
Yeah.
and then this side here,
Yeah.
and then the other side is to turn it off. Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. One of my favorite animal. I'm putting the sticker on the bike. So I hope you guys can guess what my favorite animal. So this is honey badger. Just in case if you are wondering, this is honey badger. I didn't put this thing very well. Oh no. Oh, there is a little bit of bubble on it. Okay. I need to remove this one. Oh, okay. I still got it right a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, let's get the second one.
Many thanks for watching to the end. Please feel to subscribe and follow the new series of epic riding with my bike.